traitors. You have slaughtered my minions and defiled my sanctuary. Now you will be drowned by the wrath of the tides.
You'll have no more sacrifices today, witch. Go back to the depths where you belong.
Very well. Your choice is made. The air you breathe now will be your last.
At last, we've reached our landing site.
Warchief, while you were gone, the nearby volcano erupted. This entire island has begun to sink.
How long to repair the ships?
The repairs are nearly done, Warchief.
Then finish them quickly. We're about to have company. Defend the ships at all costs.
Yes. I am the war chief. For honor.
Hey, where'd the others go? They go with you?
Ready to work. The spirits are restless. What do you want? Let's get on with it. Yes. For honor. Dabu.
We don't have much time.
Dabu.
You seek me help?
I am the war chief.
What you want me to do? What you be craven?
Let's get on with it. For honor. Yes.
Yes. I can do that. Be happy to. Work, work. Okie dokie.
Lokrigar Nogal. For honor.
Our town is under attack!
I hear the summons. That be good choice, man.
Research complete!
Bingo!
The spirits are restless. Dabu. Yes. Yes.
We need more gold! Work complete! Ready to work. Research complete.
Lokal. For honor.
Our town is under attack! We're under attack! Ready to work.
Who you want me kill? How may I serve?
Avenge us for Sulji. The spirits are restless. Dabu.
Ready to work. Work complete. Something needs doing? We're under attack! Work, work. Ready to work.
You seek me help?
Let's get on with it.
Work complete.
Dabu.
We need more lumber.
Avenge us for Sulji.
What? Ah.
Ready to work.
Where you want me go?
Anything you want.
What you be craven? Tazdingo! What you want me do?
Huh? Say the word.
Work complete.
Ready to work.
Vengeance for Surgeon.
Master?
What?
I am the War Chief.
Work complete.
Something we got away off the island? How may I serve?
The spirits are restless.
Vengeance for
Our town
Surgeon.
is under
For
attack!
honor.
We're under attack!
Yes.
How
Research
may I
complete.
serve? That be good choice, man.
Work complete.
Lokrigar Nogal. Dabu. Yes. For honor. For honor.
Yes, I can do that. Okie dokie.
Let's get on with it. Yes.
This island be sinking quick. We come with you, man. Who you want me kill?
Work complete.
I am the War Chief. For honor. Yes. Dabu. For honor.
Be happy to. What do you want?
I hear the summons.
Upgrade complete. Something need doing? Okie
Work
dokie.
complete.
Your efforts are futile, land dwellers. The darkness of the deeps is all that awaits you.
Look, narrow.
Work complete.
Dabu.
Vengeance for
The
Surgeon.
spirits are restless. For honor.
Where she want me go? Yeah.
Work complete.
What do you want? Yes. I can do that. Work, work. We're under attack.
Work complete.
Work, work. Be happy to.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Our town is under attack.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Can't build there. Work complete.
We need more gold. What do you want? I can do that.
Can't build there.
I can do that. Something need doing?
Let's get on with it. Yes.
Vengeance for Surgeon.
We need more gold. We're under attack.
Work complete.
Need
Vengeance
something.
for Surgeon.
Work complete.
Check off. Here.
Work, work. Okie dokie. Be happy too. You seek me help?
We need more gold.
I am the war chief.
Work complete.
Dabu.
Research complete.
Yes. Dabu.
For honor.
For honor. Yes. Dabu.
Work complete. We still need more time to finish the repairs, War Chief.
Something need doing? Yes. Be happy too. I can do that. What do you want? Okie dokie. Yes. Work, work.
We're under attack.
No
Our
go.
tower
Research
is under attack.
complete.
Research complete.
What would they pay
We need more lumber.
Who you want me killed? You got him, man.
We need complete. More gold.
Something need doing? What do you want?
We need more lumber.
Okie dokie.
Let's get on with it. For honor. Yes. Dabu.
What you want?
What do you want? Work, work.
We
Work
need
complete.
more lumber.
The spirits are
Inventory
restless.
is full.
For honor. Dabu. Yes. Yes. For honor. Dabu. I am the war chief. For honor. Yes. Dabu.
We're under attack.
Yes.
Soon this land will be consumed by the tides. Prepare for the sea's cold embrace.
Work complete. We need more lumber.
I can do that. Yes. Something need doing? Be happy too. Work, work. Be happy too. Okie dokie. Get 'em!
We're under attack.
Okay. I can do that.
The spirits are restless. Yes.
Work complete.
Research complete. Lokrigar Nogal. Your time has come. Yes. Work. Okie dokie. We're under attack! Our town is under attack! Work complete. We're under attack! It won't be much longer now, War Chief. The ships are nearly ready. What do you want? Be happy to. Yes? Something need doing? Something need doing? I can do that. Okie dokie. Can't build there. Too. Can't build there. My life for the Horde. I can do that. We need more gold. Work. Let's get on with it. Dabu. Yes. My life for the Horde. For honor. What? I am the War Chief. What you want me to do? The spirits are restless. Work complete. Lokrigar Vengeance for Surgeon. Yes. For honor. We're under attack! What would be craving? Right away. Vengeance for Surgeon. Bingo! What do you want? Okie dokie. Let's get on with it. Yes. For honor. Vengeance for Surgeon. Dabu. I am the War Chief. Work complete. Let's get on with it. Vengeance for Surgeon. Yes. For honor. Yes. Your witch cannot protect you now. Yeah! I am the War Chief. Not enough mana. Lokrigar Nogal. For honor. Our gold mine is running low. Yes.
How may I serve?
The spirits are restless. For honor. Work complete. Dabu. Yes.
For honor. For honor. None will survive. For Doomhammer! Yes. Dabu. Dabu. Yes. For honor.
Yes, at last the end draws near. Your deaths are only the beginning. Soon all land dwellers will be entombed in a watery grave.
Hold the line, my warriors! Our freedom is at hand! Where she want me to go? The spirits are resting. Our town is under attack! Lobrigar, Lobrigar. We're under attack! Let's get on with it.
Sail on, land dwellers, flee! The dark tide is coming to swallow you all, and once it begins, there will be nowhere to hide.
I don't know exactly what the witch was talking about, but I do know that our destiny lies elsewhere. For now, we set sail for Kalimdor. That is where our future will unfold.